while I was growing up, I've always seen जो करियर ओरिएंटेड औरत है वो घर नहीं संभाल सकती है. जो करियर ओरिएंटेड गर्ल है उसको अगर उसकी शादी होगी तो इसका मतलब ये है कि she cannot give time to her family. I mean, that doesn't happen.
So let's start off by you telling me more about your character and what makes Purva, more interesting and different from the other OTT female characters that we've seen.
I'm glad that the series is out, and people know now that there are a lot of layers and dimensions to Purva, and she's just not this white or black sort of a character. So this character, which had so many paradoxes, like being graceful yet sinful, intelligent yet non-rational. So these certain aspects of the character was amazing to play and amazing to portray.
Do you think that we see very less of women in grey characters in our small and big screens?
Honestly, I feel that things are changing. Even when I was growing up, I did see cinema catering to this aspect of women as well, but not largely or not as a main role. But now things are really changing because there are so many opportunities to showcase the lives of different people and their emotions. So now women cannot be ignored for sure.
Can you tell me what you think about that conversation when a man should be given, a space to exercise his consent?
Obviously, it's very important. We all have been raised differently. We all have our individual personalities, and to encroach into somebody's space is definitely not a right thing. And consent is like, we're going one step ahead with that. It's ignored sometimes, I feel, but it's time we shouldn't really be ignoring it right now.
How you feel about, the stereotype of women being labeled as, evil or, negative when they are in reality just getting to their goals?
While I was growing up, I've always seen जो करियर ओरिएंटेड औरत है वो घर नहीं संभाल सकती है. जो करियर ओरिएंटेड गर्ल है उसको अगर उसकी शादी होगी तो इसका मतलब ये है कि she cannot give time to her family. I mean, that doesn't happen. I mean, that is not the case, and the examples are right in front of our eyes. We have seen our mothers, we see our sisters, we see women in our life. Because they're professionally ahead doesn't mean that they're evil or negative. I mean, honestly, to even talk about it right now, it feels so funny that that's how women are looked at.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.